Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial HTML for beginners. In this session, we are going to learn about HR tag, BR tag and the comment section. So let's begin our tutorial. Okay, let's first talk about HR tag. The HR tag is used if you want to add a horizontal line between any two paragraphs or after any text. So let's see about it. Like if you want to put a horizontal line just below this heading, then you can just use a HR tag here like this. HR tag. You can put a forward slash or not put anything. It does not matter because it is a empty tag or singular tag, so you can just use it. Now if you refresh it, you can see there's a horizontal rule. Now if you want to add a space between this and this, like if I remove this paragraph tag, you can see that they are on the same line. Now if I want to break this line here and add these Shriyans just below it, then I can just use a BR tag here. BR tag. Now if you refresh it, you can see that Shriyans has been added just below it. Now let's talk about comments. If you want to add a comment about the heading section, like the heading line, and you don't want to display this line on the browser but you still want it on the editor so that you can understand later, then look, it's displaying now. But if you add a comment tag like this, smaller than and exclamation and this, now it has been a comment, and add this comment here. Now you can look that this line has been commented out and not shown on the browser, but it's still displaying on the text editor. In this way you can comment out any section of your part and you can make it understandable, and it can be used in big projects for being easier. And now let's stop our session here and we'll continue on the next session. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.